today for the people who don't want to bring the F-35s here. But they say they're not done with the fight to keep the fighter jets out of Vermont. WPTV's Rachel Kars is on the story tonight and live in the newsroom. Rachel.
Steph, the Vermont Supreme Court upheld a ruling today that said a land use permit isn't necessary for the F-35s to fly out of Burlington International. While it's good news for the Air Force, opponents say they have no intention of giving up.
I think this is not bad news.
South Burlington resident Roseanne Greco has been one of the most vocal critics of Air Force plans to base F-35 fighter jets in South Burlington. In May, activists appealed an environmental court decision that said the plan did not need a land use permit.
What we argued is this change, substantial and dramatic change in noise levels at the airport, is subject to regulation of the mitigation that the airport has to do.
Friday, the Vermont Supreme Court shot down that argument, ruling the jets wouldn't bring significant change to the airport. Opponents say their next stop is the U.S. Supreme Court. Greco doesn't discuss the positive economic impacts touted by political figures from Governor Peter Shumlin to Senator Patrick Leahy. She calls the jets dangerous.
If you look at historical records on new fighter bombers, military aircraft, they crash much more frequently in the early years of flight testing and in the early years when they are operationally deployed. So we have a real danger of a crash.
The former Air Force colonel also argues there isn't much room at Burlington International, but after 2 court rulings in favor of the high-tech fighters, 18 jets are slated to be based here in 5 years. Calls to Senator Leahy's office and that of Governor Shumlin were made after talking with Roseanne Greco on this Friday night and were not returned. Vermont's entire congressional delegation and the governor are all on record supporting the basing of the jets here. In the newsroom tonight, Rachel Kars, WPTZ News Channel 5.
16 fire departments